Hello, I'm Sylvia. How are you all doing? Welcome to this honest review. Today, I took some time to talk especially to those who are struggling with hearing issues. Yes, hearing problems can be extremely frustrating for so many reasons. Sometimes you're embarrassed to ask someone to repeat themselves, or maybe you're sitting in the back of a classroom because you don't like being up front and you simply can't hear the teacher properly. Also, hearing health is directly connected to cognitive function. When one system becomes inflamed, it can trigger problems elsewhere too. I've seen many people not only struggling to hear, but also experiencing memory loss, difficulty focusing, and even forgetting simple things like where they left their keys. And of course, there's the dreaded ringing in the ears, tinnitus. Who can stay focused with that constant buzzing, ringing, or whistling sound? No one, right? That's why I'm here to talk about Zencortex. Believe me, my brother also suffers from serious hearing loss. Every time you talk to him, he has to tilt his head and ask you to repeat, slowly and louder. It's tough for him and everyone around him. What is Zencortex? Zencortex is truly amazing. I recommended it to my brother, and today I want to show you how this natural formula might be the solution for you too. It's crafted from natural ingredients, super easy to use, and best of all, it has no side effects. If you want to check out real testimonials from people who have used Zencortex, visit the official website. I've left the link right below this video. There you'll find customer reviews, detailed information about the ingredients, and excellent customer service ready to assist you. And remember, always buy directly from the official website to ensure you're getting a 100% authentic product safely. But what makes Zencortex so special? I actually have the official website open right here, and let me tell you, the ingredients are incredibly rich in anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Some of the key ingredients include grape seed extract, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your hearing. Chromium supports auditory health. Gymnema sylvester aids in improving hearing function. Panax ginseng offers neuroprotective benefits. Maca root boosts your energy levels. Green tea extract promotes better blood flow to the ears. How to use Zencortex? It's very simple. Use the dropper to place the product directly into your mouth or mix it with water, tea, or juice. The best time to take it is in the morning so you can enjoy an energy boost throughout the day, reduce stress, and strengthen your immune system. Does Zencortex really work? Yes, it does. But here's the key. Like any natural treatment, consistency is crucial. You need to use it daily without skipping days to get the best results. The manufacturer recommends a treatment of at least 3 to 6 months for your body to fully absorb all the benefits. You can choose between a 1 month, 3 month, or 6 month supply, all available on the official website. And yes, they offer a 60-day money-back guarantee. If after 2 months you're not satisfied, you can simply request a refund, no questions asked. Main benefits of Zencortex: naturally improves hearing, helps eliminate tinnitus, ear ringing, enhances memory and focus, reduces inflammation in the ears, prevents future hearing loss, strengthens cognitive health. Just imagine being able to hear clearly again, talk to your children or grandchildren without asking them to repeat, attending classes or meetings without missing a word. All that without hearing aids and without feeling embarrassed for not understanding conversations. Zencortex is already helping thousands of people around the world, and it could help you too. So, if you know someone struggling with hearing loss who's tired of chemical-filled medications, recommend Zencortex. It's a safe, natural solution that when used properly can truly transform lives. Give Zencortex a chance. You won't regret it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.